This word is pronounced as cat with a k sound. Now this other word is pronounced as city and not kitty, though it also starts with a C. We say city and not kitty. Why? So when do you pronounce C as k? Let's understand. We pronounce C as k when it comes before the letters A, O, or U. Example, cat, cold, culture, camera. Now this is called the hard C sound. When letter C comes before E, I, and Y, it's usually pronounced as S, which is the soft C sound. City, cell, cinema, circle. Now can you guess this word here? Which sound does this word have? Is it S or K? Let us know down in the comments. Thank you. More tips, more fluency. Join us. You can book a session with us, call us, text us, or WhatsApp us. Thank you.